Section 1. The Dog That Finally Barked. A Crypto Fairy Tale. Shiba Inu, or SHIB, a meme coin inspired by a Japanese dog, just pulled off an 800% price jump. That's not a typo. It's the kind of surge that makes even seasoned investors do a double take. Suddenly everyone's talking about it, from your techie nephew to your grandma. This isn't just another blip, it's a full-blown financial spectacle. Shiba Inu's rise is a wild mix of social media hype, speculation, and a dash of tech potential. It's a digital lottery ticket that's forced everyone to ask, how can a joke coin be worth billions? The crypto world is watching, equal parts fascinated and skeptical. So, what in the world is Shiba Inu? You've probably seen the adorable Shiba Inu dog meme floating around the internet, but how did it become the face of a cryptocurrency that's taken the world by storm? Let's break it down. At its core, Shiba Inu is what's known as an altcoin, crypto's term for any digital currency that isn't Bitcoin. While Bitcoin paved the way, altcoins like Shiba Inu have exploded in popularity, each with their own quirks and communities. But Shiba Inu isn't just any altcoin. It's a meme coin, which means it was inspired by internet jokes and viral culture. Launched in 2020 by the mysterious Ryoshi, it quickly caught the attention of crypto enthusiasts and meme lovers alike. The idea was simple. Take the power of internet communities and see what they could build together. The project's goal? To see if a decentralized community could build something big. No CEO, no headquarters, just a crowd and a dream. Anyone, anywhere, could join in, contribute ideas, and help shape the future of the coin. It's a social experiment as much as a financial one. Its woof paper, yes, that's what they call their white paper, lays out ambitious plans for a whole ecosystem, including its own decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap, and even more tokens and projects under the Shiba Inu umbrella. Unlike Dogecoin, which runs on its own blockchain, Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token. That means it's built on top of Ethereum's network, taking advantage of Ethereum's security, flexibility, and massive user base. Think of Ethereum as a giant shopping mall, filled with thousands of different stores. Shoaib is just one of those stores, operating under the mall's rules, paying its fees, and relying on the mall's infrastructure to attract customers. But here's the catch. Shiba Inu is high risk, high reward, more like buying a lottery scratch-off ticket than investing in a blue-chip stock. Prices can skyrocket or crash in the blink of an eye, and fortunes can be made or lost overnight. Its value isn't driven by profits or products, but by community hype, viral social media moments, and the collective hope of getting rich together. The more people talk about it, the more attention, and sometimes, the more value it gets. It's the Wild West of finance, where a single tweet from a celebrity or influencer can send prices soaring or tumbling. In this world, memes and momentum matter just as much as math and code. Traditional financial models don't really apply here. Forget about earnings reports or balance sheets. Shiba Inu's value is all about belief, buzz, and the unpredictable tides of internet culture. It's chaos, it's unpredictable, but it's also powered by one of the most enthusiastic, dog-loving fan bases you'll ever find in the crypto world. Whether it's a passing fad or the start of something bigger, one thing's for sure, Shiba Inu is digital dog money with a bite. The whales are coming. In crypto, whales are the big players, people or entities holding massive amounts of a coin. When a whale buys or sells, it can send shockwaves through the market. Shiba Inu's recent surge, fueled in part by whales making multi-million-dollar moves. Their actions create a feedback loop. Big buys spark FOMO, drawing in smaller investors and pushing prices higher. But it's a double-edged sword. Whale sell-offs can crash the price just as fast. Tracking whale wallets has become an obsession for traders, hoping to predict the next big move. With so much SHIB concentrated in a few wallets, these whales are the real market movers. In this game, a handful of players can pull the strings for everyone else. Let's talk numbers. A huge chunk of Shiba is held by a tiny group of wallets. Imagine two people at a party owning 90% of the pizza. Makes you nervous, right? Then there's burning sending tokens to a dead address to reduce supply. The Shiba community is obsessed with burning tokens, hoping scarcity will drive up value. Shiba Inu started with a mind-boggling 1 quadrillion tokens. Ryoshi sent half to Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin, who burned most of it and donated the rest. Now, every burn is a community event, a tug-of-war between whales and hopeful holders. The result? massive trading volumes, and a meme coin that's become a serious contender. To really understand what Shiba Inu is all about, imagine the entire crypto market as a bustling, aromatic bakery filled with all sorts of tempting treats. Each item on the shelves represents a different kind of cryptocurrency, each with its own flavor, style, and following. Bitcoin is the classic sourdough, timeless, reliable, and the foundation of the bakery. It's the staple everyone knows, the one that started it all. Ethereum is the versatile flour, essential for making almost anything in the shop. It's flexible, innovative, and forms the base for countless new recipes and creations. Then you have the altcoins, which are everything else: croissants, muffins, tarts, and more. Each brings something unique to the table, but not all of them stand out. Meme coins? They're the colorful cookies, eye-catching, fun, and sometimes a little outrageous. They're the treats that get people talking, but you never quite know what you're going to get. Dogecoin is the original chocolate chip cookie. Simple, beloved, and the first meme coin to win over the crowd with its charm and humor. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is the flashy new macaron, bright, bold, and impossible to ignore. It's not just a cookie, it's a whole ecosystem with its own flavors and surprises. SHIB's explosive rise in popularity outpaced most other coins, drawing crowds and headlines almost overnight. Most cryptocurrencies grow slowly, like bread rising in the oven, steadily improving with new technology and strategic partnerships, while other projects play the long game, carefully building their reputation and value over time. Shiba Inu thrives on hype, a passionate community, and the hope of going viral. It's all about momentum and excitement. Investing in Shiba isn't really about deep technical fundamentals or long-term strategy. It's about catching the next big meme wave, hoping to ride the surge before it fades. The pace is fast, the energy is wild, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. Blink, and you might miss your chance. In the ever-changing crypto bakery, SHIB is the unpredictable treat everyone's suddenly craving, delicious for some, risky for others, but impossible to ignore. Let's be real, investing in meme coins is more like a casino than Wall Street, with luck often trumping logic. The rewards can be huge. Some early SHIB buyers made life-changing fortunes almost overnight, but for every winner, there are countless losers. The biggest risk? Extreme volatility. SHIB can soar 800% or crash 90% in just a matter of days. Hype drives the price, and hype fades fast, leaving many investors stranded. Scams are everywhere, with copycat coins and rug pulls preying on hopeful, sometimes desperate, investors. Even SHIB's success has spawned a wave of risky imitators and questionable projects. The prize is massive returns, but the risk is total loss, sometimes in an instant. Only invest what you're truly prepared to lose, and never more. This is the wildest casino in finance. Don't ever bet the rent money on meme coins. So, should you buy Shiba Inu? That's the million-dollar question, and it's one that's been on the minds of countless investors, meme enthusiasts, and crypto newcomers alike. The hype is real, the memes are everywhere, and the temptation to jump in can be overwhelming. Honestly, no one can say for sure. The world of cryptocurrency is unpredictable, and even the so-called experts are often left scratching their heads. Predicting SHIB's future is like guessing which meme will go viral next. Fun, but nearly impossible. The market moves at the speed of the internet, and trends can change in the blink of an eye. Here's what matters. Do your own research, read the wolf paper, check the data, and understand the risks. Know what you're buying, and don't just follow the crowd or the latest meme you saw on Twitter. Ask yourself, is this a lottery ticket, a tech experiment, or just for fun? For some, it's a shot at quick riches. For others, it's about being part of a community or riding the wave of internet culture. Don't fool yourself. This is gambling, not value investing. The risks are extreme: wild volatility, whale manipulation, and sudden market crashes that can wipe out your investment in minutes. And let's not forget the hype. What's hot today can disappear tomorrow, leaving latecomers holding the bag. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat it like entertainment, not a retirement plan. If losing your investment would hurt your finances or keep you up at night, it's probably not worth the risk. In that case, stay away. There are safer ways to grow your money. Stay informed, crypto changes fast, and what you know today might be outdated tomorrow. Today's news is tomorrow's history. Keep learning, keep questioning, and don't get swept away by the noise. Shiba Inu is a wild chapter in the crypto story, full of twists, turns, and surprises that no one saw coming. It's powered by memes, speculation, and a community that thrives on unpredictability. Whether it ends up as a cautionary tale or a legend in the making, only time will tell. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortunes can be made or lost in an instant. In crypto, anything is possible, sometimes for better, sometimes for worse. The only certainty is uncertainty. Good luck. You'll need it. And remember, sometimes the best investment is in your own knowledge.